welcome back to the channel. This is Sandy here. Today I'm participating in another collab. This one is the New Year's Kickoff DIY 2020. It is hosted by the lovely Tammy at Me, Myself, and DIYing It, Mysterious Alberta, Lynn's Lifestyle Living, Diva Decorating, and Cynthia, She's So Blessed. All of the links to their channels are going to be in my description box below. If you're not subscribed to their channels, please be sure to hit that subscription button on their channels. They all have wonderful channels and they offer a lot of DIY projects, home decor, shopping hauls, lifestyle living, just a lot of really good content between these channels. So please be sure that you are subscribed to their channel and that you check them out, as well as check out their DIYs for this kickoff project. The rules for this challenge were pretty simple. You had to be subscribed to all of their channels. You had to mention all of the hosts, and we had to use the hashtag New Year's Kickoff DIY, and the upload date was today, January 10th after midnight. So I am very proud to be a part of this particular collab and as a participant. I am not a true DIY person, but I love to try to create, right? So any type of DIY that I share on this channel is going to be one that anybody, literally anybody, can do, because I'm a newbie to this. So it is truly a DIY one-on-one project, but I'm very proud of the way that it turned out. So I'm going to stop rambling here and I'm going to just show you how I created my DIY. Also, I need to mention that there will be a playlist that's going to be in my description box as well, so that you can go in and check out all of the other participants for this particular challenge. All right, so I am going to attempt a DIY using these burner covers from the Dollar Tree. They actually are really cute. They say home is where family gathers, and there's 2 of them in the pack. This is the top that was on there. So I got those. I got 2 of the candlesticks, candle holders, and a charger plate. And then I picked up some spray paint that I'm going to use and try to create a very simple tray. I don't know how this is going to work out. Never done this before, but let's see how it works out. So this is what it will look like. I just got to get everything lined up so that I can do the glue down. But that's the tray. I sprayed it all, and that's what it looks like. My spray paint wasn't the best spray painting job, but it'll be okay because I plan on filling it all up, and you really won't focus on the coloring of it, so it'll be just fine. So we'll start with this one, and we're putting just the E6000 glue all around the rim. And try to locate the center. I'm just eyeballing it. And that looks about right. Actually, let me measure that. Pretty good. Not gonna worry about it. Doesn't have to be perfect. So I'll get that glued down and let that sit for a minute. Then I'm gonna glue here, put the other one on, and so on and so forth. Putting that around here. And try to guesstimate All right, I think it's okay. So we'll let that dry for a second, and then we're gonna do the last row here. All right, and that's what it looks like. So far, so good. All right, so this is how it turned out. Like I said, I'm not a true DIY person. I'm just learning and just starting to try new things, but I'm very happy with the way that it turned out. So I decided to style it with the Valentine's theme since that's coming up very soon. And I use mostly all items from the Dollar Tree to put it together. So I have the little plaque at the top that says, "Here is the key to my heart." There is a little candle here that says positivity. A little heart. That these were the little, they had the adhesive on the back. They didn't stick very well, but I just took one and put it there to fill in the space. I have some floral picks from the Dollar Tree with the little sparkling hearts on it that I thought were really, really cute. And some little chocolate candies also from the Dollar Tree in the shape of hearts. And these glasses, I thought those were too cute. They also have the little sparkly on them, and they are red and silver, so I put those on. And then I have the little candles here, also from Dollar Tree, shaped like stars. This is the only item that is on here that is not from Dollar Tree. Now, my mother's birthday is on Valentine's Day, so I'm actually going to take this to her house and incorporate it into her decor for her birthday / Valentine's Day. And I found this ornament at Hobby Lobby at the end of the season. It's shaped like a heart, and it says, "My mom, my friend." So I am going to put that on there, and I'm going to take that over there for her to display this how she likes. But this is what I put together, and it is so special to me because Valentine's Day is also my mother's birthday. So that's what I put together. And then on the back, I just have some little gems that are shaped like little red hearts. And she'll probably want to rearrange things for her liking, but that's what we have. The total cost of my DIY was $10. And I think it turned out cute. I hope you like it. Thanks so much for watching, and please be sure to stop by the lovely ladies who are hosting this challenge. Again, I will place their names in the description box as well as the playlist to this challenge. Thanks again for watching, and please be sure to rate, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you here next time. Bye-bye.